Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I like to share today. It's a very important news. What is this news? This news is about snake home. I think you remember last time I was sharing a snake coming, a snake coming, a snake please come, a snake please come, a snake don't come, something like that. But this video, I'm going to share you the design of a snake house. This is a 5-star hotel. Look at, and they have all the tree there, all the tree. Look at this, look at this. And we always think that we can design house. We are the human. We can design everything. No, dear human. Each and every animals, this world, including human animals, they have their own design. So look at this snake home, and they really build this home with the fancy access. I'll tell you what are the qualities, what are the infrastructure they use to make a snake home. And here you can see the halls, not your halls. This is good halls. And even I'm afraid now because sometimes snakes are coming out. So yeah, so I can see because I live in the jungle. So I can see a lot of snakes sometimes going here and there, saying goodbye, hey babe, Kapila, where are you going? You know, then I'm saying to my snakes like subscribe my YouTube channel and Instagram marketing. Yeah, all right. So this is how they build this snake home, because these kind of things, urban city people, posh people, push people, they don't not aware about these kind of designs. So this is a good design. Even your home, you can make this kind of design. So aware like how you can develop, you can build, you can create create your home with mud. Okay, how they develop this mud house, I'll show you. And another thing, after they build this snake home, they like to invite other people also, like mugatias and other kind of animals. They're coming here and they have some kind of mutual understanding. Sometimes a snake, they allowed this kind of behavior. So like that, I think we have to share our houses and everything with others also sometime. And then I'm in the jungle. Today I'm exploring jungle. I'm going here and there. And you can see everywhere still like a jungle. Yeah. Alright, so this is about a snake house. I think now you know what is a snake house. So respect animals and nature. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you waste your time and energy. I also waste time and energy for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. My name is Kapila Rasnaik. I love nature. I love people. I love animals. Especially I love. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Kapila Rasnaik. I will come back to you again.